Landon, Mom, you have to cut that ribbon, honey.
Yeah!
Ooh.
Let's open it.
There's a drawer. What's in the drawer? In the front. Over here, Landon, over on this side. No, those, yeah, open that drawer. What's that drawer?
Man.
Ooh, there's a few little things in there, huh?
Yeah, let us have to set it and open it. Mommy, we turn that for the children. That is for the man.
Hold on, Landon. Don't let it fall. Woo! Okay, we'll flip it over.